Hey guys, this is Jay. Today we're going to see how to create summer party flyer in Photoshop. Before getting started, you can download all the files used in this tutorial. Link in the description. Download it, use it. If you got any doubt, let me know in the comment section. I'll help you. In case if you want that completely designed PSD file means, hit the like button. Soon after reaching 100 likes, I'll give you the download link. Fine, let's get started. First go to the folder you downloaded. There you'll see a PSD file called flyer. Open the file inside Photoshop. This one is a design ready file. You can straight away start designing it. First we are going to create our flyer background. For that, go to the folder you downloaded. Open the background image inside Photoshop. We're going to use this one as our party flyer background. Drag and drop the image inside our canvas. I'll place the image inside background folder. By enabling free transform tool, I'll resize the image. Fine. Next we are going to bring in our main model image. For that, go to the folder you downloaded. Open model image inside Photoshop. Drag and drop the image inside your canvas. Of course, you can use your model image. It's not going to be an issue. I'll place the image inside image folder. I'm going to resize this image by enabling free transform tool. Fine. Next I'm going to bring in leaf stock images. For that, go to the folder. You will find leaf stock image. Open the file inside Photoshop. Drag and drop the image inside our flyer canvas. I'll place the leaf image right below the model image. This one looks a little bit bigger. I'm going to resize the image by enabling free transform tool. By holding shift key, I'll resize the image. Next I'm going to create a duplicate copy. Keyboard shortcut Ctrl J. By enabling free transform tool again, I'm going to flip horizontal. And again I'm going with flip vertical. I'll give a slight rotation. I'll place it here. Fine. Next we're going to create a rectangle shape. For that, select design folder, create a layer, go to color picker, select color DD4699. I'm going with pink color. Of course, you can choose the color you want. Next, pick polygon laser tool. Now I'm going to create a rectangle shape. Now by using keyboard shortcut Alt backspace, I'm going to fill the color. Next we are going to add minimal 3D effect to this rectangle shape. For that, right click, blending option, select bevel emboss. Make sure the style is inner bevel. I'll change the technique to chisel art. I'll keep the depth as 63. I'll reduce the size down to 8. I'll keep the soften as 3. And I'll click OK. Next I'm going to create a duplicate copy. Ctrl J. By holding Ctrl key in your keyboard, click the thumbnail. The rectangle shape will be selected. Now go to color picker. Select color FCB116. Click OK. Now I'm going to fill the color by using keyboard shortcut Alt backspace. Now I'm going to enable free transform tool, flip horizontal. Next we are going to bring in another two stock images inside our canvas. Go to the folder, open the glass image inside Photoshop. Drag and drop the image inside our canvas. I'll place this glass image inside image folder. This one looks quite big. I'm going to resize it by enabling free transform tool. Holding shift key, I'll resize the image. Give a slight rotation. I'll place it here. Fine. Next I'm going to bring in bird stock image. Open the file inside Photoshop, drag and drop the image inside our canvas. Make sure it's placed inside image folder. Of course, this one tool looks a little bit bigger. I'm going to enable free transform tool and resize it. I'll go with flip horizontal and give a slight rotation so that it looks like flying from the leaves. Fine. Next we are going to add our party text content. For that, select the text folder, create a layer, go to color picker, select white color. The font I'm using is a free font. I'll give the link in the description. You can download it if you want. Now I'm going to type in our party title. I'll increase the size a little bit. Now I'm going to create a duplicate copy. I'll reduce the size. Next we are going to add minimal effect to our text. For that, select the text layer, right click, blending option, select drop shadow. I'll keep the blending mode as normal. I'll go with the color 471731. Click OK. I'll keep the opacity as 100, angle as 174. I'll keep the distance as 14, spread as 0, and I'll reduce the size down to 0. So we get a cool effect like so. Click OK. Now I'm going to apply the very same effect to our another text layer. For that, right click, copy the layer style, apply the layer style. Fine. Next I'm going to add few more text content. For that, create a layer, go to color picker, select the color you want. I'm going with black. Type in your party other text informations. I'll create a duplicate copy. This one is for website. Next we are going to bring in social media icons. For that, go to the folder you downloaded, open icons PSD file inside Photoshop. There you will see a icons folder. Drag and drop the folder inside our flyer canvas. I'll place the icon folder right above all of the layers. Next I'm going to change the color to pink. For that, open the folder, double click the layer, select pink color. I'll repeat the same step. Fine. Now I'll place all the icons at the bottom center. Now our flyer is almost ready. As a final step, I'm going to add glow effect. For that, go to the design folder, create a layer, change the blending mode as linear dodge. Go to color picker, select yellow color, bright yellow color. Now enable brush tool, go with soft round brush. Now I'm going to add glow effect to our title. I'll give a click here. If you find the glow effect is too harsh, you can reduce the opacity. I'll give a click here, another one here. So next I'm going to select blue color, bright blue color. With the same brush, I'm going to give a single click at the bottom so that our bottom text and social media icons will be visible better. So our summer party flyer is ready. So that's it guys. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like this video, hit the like button. For more Photoshop tutorials, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Take care.